To make Afterpay work, start by understanding what it is and how it works. Afterpay is a buy now pay later service that allows customers to make purchases and pay for them in 4 interest-free installments. As a merchant, you can offer Afterpay as a payment option to your customers, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. First, sign up for an Afterpay account and integrate it into your online store or point-of-sale system. This process typically involves filling out a registration form and providing business and banking information. Afterpay will then review your application and provide you with an approval decision. Once you are approved, you can start offering Afterpay to your customers. When a customer selects Afterpay as their payment method, they will be redirected to the Afterpay website to create an account and complete the payment process. The customer will then be required to make 4 interest-free payments due every 2 weeks. As a merchant, you will receive the full payment for the purchase up front, minus a small fee. The fee is typically a percentage of the purchase amount, and it varies depending on the merchant and the type of products being sold. Afterpay handles all the payment processing and customer service, making it a hassle-free option for merchants. To maximize the benefits of Afterpay, make sure to clearly communicate the payment terms and conditions to your customers. You should also ensure that your return and refund policies are compatible with Afterpay's policies. In addition, you can use Afterpay to increase sales and customer engagement by offering promotions and discounts to customers who use the service. You can also use data and analytics provided by Afterpay to better understand your customers' shopping habits and preferences. Overall, making Afterpay work for your business requires a simple and straightforward process. By understanding how Afterpay works and following best practices, you can increase sales, customer satisfaction, and revenue, while providing a convenient and flexible payment option to your customers.